Okay, let's talk about this packet. So we're going to be working on this. I'm going to take you through some of the pages one by one. It's fairly simple to do. You'll need your pencil and your ruler. Let's talk about the horizon line a little bit more. I didn't get to talk about it too much. I said I would explain it a little bit more in the future. So when it comes to the horizon line and where things are located in relationship to the horizon line, some things are like right at the horizon line, as you see. Some things are below the horizon line and some things are above, okay? When something is above the horizon line, it's like it's flying over us. We could see the front of it and we could see the bottom belly of it, you know? And so when that happens, that's called worm's eye view, because it's like we're down low, we're like a little worm on the floor, and we could see something kind of like above us, flying over us, okay? When something is directly on the horizon line, we don't see the top edge of it, or the top of it, or like the bottom belly. We just see the front and sides of it because it's right at our eye level. So we're not flying over it, we're not crouching down underneath it. It's just right at our eye level. And so we just see those two sides of it, as you see here. It's actually much easier to draw something at eye level. When it comes to these boxes down below, well, our eyes can see over it. We could see the top of it. We could see the sides of it. It's kind of like we're flying above it and we could see the top of it. So that's called bird's eye view. It's like we're a birdie flying in the air and we can look down on something, okay? So that's the difference. What you're going to do here is just practice doing your single point perspective again. And here are different squares and rectangles, and you're just going to be connecting these boxes towards the vanishing point, okay? So use your ruler, connect the corners, and then just remember parallel lines, okay? So this edge of the box here is horizontal, so I need to cut it off with another horizontal flat across line, and then I'm good, okay? Now I don't need to worry about connecting these bottom corners because, well, they get blocked out by this front face of the box, okay? So here on the side, we have something at eye level. So I just connect those two corners. Okay, and then when I go to cut it off, I cut it off with a parallel line. This edge is vertical, it's straight up and down. So this edge needs to be vertical as well. And now I have that, okay? Please remember to label them, whether they are worm's eye view, okay, eye level, or bird's eye view. So take a look at the boxes and check whether they are at the eye, like this one's at eye level. What would this one be? You know, what would this one be? So use this little guide up here to help you. And yeah, just connect all your boxes towards the vanishing points.